Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Ayun guys. So, for today is for this episode guys. Anyway, good evening to everyone, no. For this episode, ayan, na ano ko speechless ako kasi nga totoo talaga na pag isang vloggers ka na is before I don't believe pero now ko na observe as a vloggers, I start nung January, no. Ang daming nagko-contact sa akin, na inaalam ang address ko to sending the blessings for me. Meaning, may gustong magpapakit sa akin, they have a lot of people, they want to help me, and one of my very supporters, subscriber and viewers, this is a very great person. Talagang sabi ko, ala na, I'm surprised. One of the best restaurant in Dala restaurant. So sabi ko, binlog ko sila. So nung nakita nila siguro yung mga videos ko, episode ko, parang nag-worry sila. Thank you so much for all your supports, for loving me, to take care of me, to support me, to all overseas foreign workers, the other nationalities. Talaga napaka-humble nila kahit na small blessing. Gusto lang nilang tumulong guys. So here they are, ba't ako nagkukwento? Because I'm surprised while editing my video, no guys, is talagang kasi nagtatrabaho pa kami, I'm still in the work with Sir Robert. So sabi ko, ala, may gustong mag-deliver. So someone they want to give a blessings. Kaya ayan, they have they sending to me what I want. So ito lang ang sinend niya. So ito, I'm very blessings talaga. Hindi lang ito lang, talagang I'm surprised. See, hello and shout out to Dalati. Ayan. And Almira here in Alto Mama. Kaya sabi ko, ala, thank you so much. Before may gustong mag send ng groceries. Before may nag-send na one of my subscriber also, my friends groceries, no. They have a rice and fish, ganyan. Now, talagang sabi ko sa inyo, mga kaibigan ko, mga OFW, solo parents, don't give up, only trust him. Actually, before he make the delivery, no, the offering the blessings, talagang umiiyak ako because I'm chatting my son while I edit my vlogs. So, I said I'm not okay, pero okay lang ako, no, to support the OFW foreign workers, to support them, to join us in my journey, and my successful or my journey is your journey guys. So I promise, and all OFW foreign workers, not only Filipino kabayan, is I will visit in your countries, okay, to help the poor people also. That's my goal and that's my dream, no, na to help the whole world, yung mga poor children, poor people, na pwede kong i-share yung blessings ko. Yeah, because of you all guys is you can support me. See, and I start last January, now I'm very lucky, nasa aabot na ako ng 1,000 subscriber. So you join us in my journey guys. So thank you so much po dito sa Dalati. Ayan. And then I watch Madam Mariel also. Shout out Madam Mariel Lasen. Talagang na-touch ako kasi I'm the one of the supporter idol din po niya, na before, bago ako mag-vlog, nakikita ko na siya, talagang wow, ang bilis, talagang even hardworking ka, kahit walang-wala ka, ang laki ng naitulong din ni Madam Mariel Lassen for me. Congratulations, Madam. Shout out po. And shout out to the owner sponsor of this restaurant, Dala Tea restaurant. Sooner, we can vlog this one soon, very very soon, in Dala Tea and Restaurant. And ayan guys, tikman po natin ang kanyang binigay. And very very soon, may mga unboxing tayong upcoming. Hindi ako magkanda o gaga sa chat po. At may mga magustong magbigay. from other countries. So, kahit sabihin yung very small ayan, binigyan niya talaga ako ng merienda. Naaliw siya, pinapanood pala nila. I thought, and shout out the Kita company and all the drivers there to support me, and also the what do you call this, the Talabat. Ayan, the Talabat also, and Sunoo. Ayan, hi to everyone, all of you. Thank you so much for your support as vloggers here in Doha, Qatar. Ayan guys, thank you so much. Wow, tikman natin ang burgers ng Dala. Ayan, from T Dala. Ayan, I don't know what country this one. Sooner natin sila. I think this one is Arab also. Natin kung sila ba ay Pakistan, Bangladesh, or Qatari, or I don't know, but Dala, I think here in Doha ang sponsor nito, yung may-ari siguro nito. Ayan. So itanong natin kay sir. Sir, yung Dala ba ano yun? Sa tingin mo, local countries ang may-ari? Wala. So, yan na nga guys. So, hindi lang yan ang mga nagbigay, yung mga nauna, hindi ko na na-vlog. Ang na-vlog ko yung mga OFW kababayan natin na nagbigay ng rice, fish, ganyan. So, thank you so much for your support to support me, and really thank you so much. The most of all is thank you so much for being a part of my journey. Ayan guys. So, ayan na nga guys, salamat po ng maraming marami. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you so much to all my brother and sister here in GCC country. Ayan guys. So see you soon, very 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 soon. See you soon guys. At I'm going to Dalati at natin to, i-vlogs po natin very very soon po. Okay, because I cannot go out now at nagpapabedrest pa ang lola mo. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys. This is a very short video guys, and thank you for Dala sa blessings na nagbigay sa akin nito. Ayan guys. I don't want to shout out the name kasi privacy at personal na natin yun. Basta yung mga Dala, taga-Dala staff, employees there in Dala is I salute you guys being a hardworking as OFW overseas foreign workers. Okay, being hard, work, and fight in our life. And most of all, God is good all the time. God bless you all guys. I love you all guys. Thank you so much and God bless po.